Hello, friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be about Gemini with Sheets, right? How can we use Gemini to improve efficiency in Sheets? So I'm going to click on this blank sheet over here. Right? So, moment the sheet loads, right, it comes up with this pop-up over here, and this is there are a lot of formats which are pre-populated based on different use case scenarios. So functional roles kind of things, event planning, customer relationship, product, right, team planner. If I open this, I can see further you know uh, templates which are there, and I click go and I can just click on insert over here. So I'm not going to insert these, but y'all can try it out if y'all need to. I'm going to close this one. Okay. I'm going to go to the Gemini prompt engine, and I'm going to put up a prompt to create a blank sheet. So as a trainer, many a times I do classroom trainings and I need to carry a blank format of attendance, right, where we can, just fill in the details and take the attendance. So I'm going to do that over here. I'm going to ask it to create a format with name, serial number, employee ID. Now, next, what I want to do is import existing data inside the sheet and see if I can query on top of that, sheet directly. Opened it, and I'm going to do the import. I've kept some, I would say dummy data handy to try this out. So this is a kind of a task list which I have populated over here, and it's a complete fake task list, and we're going to see if we can query on this and use it in with Gemini directly. I'm going to start with click on analyze my data. Let's see what Gemini does over here for me. So it says that data appears to be project task tracker for column names, and let me expand this a bit. There's a Okay, let's. Okay, so basically, it's analyze the data, telling me what I have in it. So, and then it tells me that there are 13 tasks that are already completed, 23 are in progress, and 14 are not started. It's so good to get this information. And with estimate types, breakups, also it is calculating uh, from when it is due date as well and how far we are close to it and all. So it's analyzing my overall data and telling me. I can also, prompt my questions. I mean, data from here. So I can say, okay, um, how many tasks are completed by, let's say I'll pick up a name from here. Okay, so David. Okay, so its output is David is zero as number of tasks completed. So uh, you can see over here it's in progress one, and if you want, we can put up a filter and check. So let's close this and verify this. It is right, of course, but just in case you have doubts, then we can filter and cross check. So filter the data with David. It has one task assigned that is in progress. Right. So that's cool, right? You can query directly inside your data. You don't need to, run around with filters and all. It will just type in the query. It will do things for you. Now let's say if it can build a visualization for us. Give me a chart representing total task versus task completed in progress, comma, and not start. Okay, let's see if we can generate a pie chart or a bar chart or something for us. It has built it. Ask it to insert it. Okay, so here is my chart. Close this and adjust the visualization. Zoom. Cool. So it makes life easy now to build presentations, right? So you don't have to around the menus and do the inserts and this and that. Just type it and Gemini will do that for you. So we're going to ask Gemini now to complete the data. So it's an auto completion feature. How we have to complete, we'll be telling Gemini that this is how the design pattern is, and it will use that to complete the missing information. This is not a great example. Email address is not necessary, may follow the same format of first name dot last name, but that's what I could think of as an example to show. Let's try this out. So I'm going to ask Gemini to fill in the missing email addresses using the format of first name dot last name at abc.com. So it's giving me the end result over here, and I can just say insert. So this is the auto completion feature which is available in Gemini. So we tried all the features over here in Sheets to ask it to, create new sheets, new tables, right? We ask it to do the autocomplete for us, completion of data. We generated some insights from it. So basic examples, but we tried all the features in there.